Now, most people think this is where the battery's at. No, this is just so you can give somebody a quick jump from one car to another. And this is be your ground, and that's your positive. Or you can just say positive and negative. But that is not your battery. Them are your fuses there. So don't even go thinking about that. I'm going to show you where the battery is. This is a Chevy Traverse, a 2009. Now that battery is in the back on the passenger side. Now, of course, you know, you gotta lift your rug up. And then you gotta lift this little plate up right here. It should just pop up just like that. Sorry about the movement for the camera. And it's under this little plate right here. Now it's a screw right here that sometime you'll have to take out, but this has been removed before. I never put the screw back in there. So it is what it is on that part. And there's your battery. And to reset your check engine light, just unhook the positive, leave it off about 10 seconds and put her back on.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I drop videos once a week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what to do.